Hey, I'm Big Pete.
And I'm Teddy Danielson.
Welcome to Cooking with Cannabutter. Breakfast is one of our favorite meals over at Big Pete's Treats. Today, Teddy's gonna make some avocado toast. This shit's gonna be on fire. Let's see what she's gonna come up with.
I'm so excited. You gotta start your day off right. We're gonna do something special. We're gonna do an avocado butter. So we're gonna use avocado, a little bit of regular butter, and then we're going to add a little bit of Big Pete's Cannabutter.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, just because it's for a little kick in the morning, you know?
Yeah.
And we're gonna throw on some extra goodies like lemon and cilantro. And then we're gonna fry some eggs to put on top.
Oh, man.
Here's where, for you guys who want a little bit more of a kick of THC, we're gonna go ahead and fry the eggs in some of the Cannabutter. If you're looking to be a little bit more mellow and avocado toast is enough, then you can just go ahead and fry your eggs or poach your eggs or however you want them.
Great.
Yeah. You ready?
Let's get started.
Cool, okay. We're gonna have to switch spots.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna start with one avocado. It's always like a present, you know, it's gonna be inside. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put this straight in the food processor. Go, that's a beautiful avocado. And then we're gonna add cilantro. Go ahead and do the juice of about half of a lemon. Cut it into quarters. Make sure to catch any seeds. Oh, that exploded, did you see that?
That was a lemon burst.
Mm-hmm. Okay, great. So now we're gonna do about 4 tablespoons of butter here. So again, we have 1 avocado, 4 tablespoons of butter. Mm-hmm. So we're gonna I'll go ahead and add that to our food processor. Put it on in there. And now the fun part.
The Big Pete's Cannabutter.
Let's do a little bit of salt. We put some lemon juice in there. Salt. Okay. Salt. Ready? Are you a garlic person?
I love garlic.
You want some garlic in there? Okay, we'll add some garlic. All right.
Wow.
Let's give it a taste, and then if we think that it needs a little bit more lemon, we can do that.
That's super tasty.
We're gonna do 2 healthy slices. And we're gonna throw these in the toaster, and then in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and fry some eggs up.
Beautiful.
Your Cannabutter.
Awesome.
Okay, folks, so we're gonna go ahead and scoop out some of our avocado butter and just layer it on it.
Oh,
Look at that,
great.
Isn't that pretty? There we go.
Oh my god.
Breakfast for 2. Ta-da!